Hello Aries, welcome again to another video. For today, let's do a September reading update. Tingnan natin kung ano ang possible energies for the month of September, mga blessings, guidance, and advice for you. This is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn, and kung ikaw ay may heavy Aries placement sa iyong natal/birth chart. Again, pwede mo itong gamitin guidance mo. Kung maka-resonate ka, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so that we can also continue this journey. Thank you so much. Thank you din sa mga bagong subscribers, followers, and sa mga nagpaparead sa atin privately. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you again. Unahin natin ang energy update for your September, Aries. Ano ang meron sa iyong September energy update? Energy update. Aries. We got the World. Changes, travel, from being stuck na energy and ma-prideful na energy, you are stepping in this month of September sa energy ng willingness and bravery, or mas magiging bolder and matapang ka na sa pag-take ng actions. What else? Energy update for the month of September, Aries. Four of Cups, Two of Swords, Three of Wands, and Six of Pentacles. Ayan, ang nakikita ko dito, you're stepping into a bolder and much more clearer decision making. Ganun ang nakikita ko sa energy mo. But ikaw din yung tipong nasa energy ng hindi ka basta-basta tumatanggap ng opinions, offer, lalo na kung mararamdaman mo na parang half-hearted or hindi ganun ka magbibigay ng kasiguraduhan or stability. For some of you, there is this energy of paglipat, pwedeng job, location, address, and change of mind when it comes to your career, your source of income. Meron din akong nakikita dito na energy of you might feel na mas magbibigay ka, pero ang nakikita kong energy pa is ayun nga, mas magbibigay ka. Advice ko lang, make sure that you also put yourself first before others, kasi paano pa natin matutulungan ng iba kung tayo mismo ay hindi makatayo sa sariling mga paa. For some of you, there's an energy of a childlike, mas magta-tap in or makakaramdam kayo ng free will or willingness and freedom to unlock your childlike energy. Mas free-spirited kayo, freedom. There is energy of freedom here, and there's also an energy of facing a decisions sa pamamagitan ng communication. Mas maayos, pero kailangan pa rin ng balancing energy. For some of you, there is an energy of hindi po ng taong magre-reveal ng next steps ninyo. Mas marami na kayong kinikip sa sarili kaysa sa i-share ito sa ibang tao. Mga paparating sa September for you, Aries. Ang mga blessings na paparating. We got 10 of Cups, 5 of Cups, 9 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. Meron ako nakikitang energy of emotional fulfillment. May blessings dito na makakaramdam ka ng emotional fulfillment or enlightenment. For some of you, meron ng basbas ng family ang pagsasama ninyo with your person. For some of you, mas magkakaroon ka na ng strategic plan. There is this, mas magiging klaro na sa'yo ang gusto mong gawin or maabot sa buhay mo. For some of you here, malalaman mo na ang rason kung bakit nagkaroon ng delays sa mga potential blessings mo from previous months. And mas magiging maingat ka na sa next steps mo. Ang blessings na nakikita ko dito, there is an additional source of income here na maaring sa una magdadalawang isip ka siyang ipagpatuloy ito, pero mas pangungunahan mo yung energy na gusto mong itry. Yung, ayun nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, yung willingness to try. Mas magta-tap in or magpo-focus ka doon. Meron lang akong nakikitang energy dito na wag mong masyadong panghinayangan yung failed attempts, yung failed risk mo. Lalo na kung ito ay related sa growth. Allow yourself na mas maging pasensyosa sa growth mo, sa growth ng business mo, ng school mo, ng friendship, ng partnership. And I can also see here, mas magpo-focus ka, isa sa mga blessings dito ang improvement sa'yo physically. And be careful as well when it comes to spending habits. Kailangan mas mag-look back ka kung paano ka humawak ng iyong blessings, kung paano ka mag-share, kung mas nag-share ka ba kaysa sa mas nagtatabi ka or nagiging madamot ka in some ways. And iwasan ng masyadong pag-show off, iwasan ang masyadong pagpapakita sa social medias. Okay lang na ipagmayabang yung hard work mo, pero make sure na not to share too much. For your advice, guidance, ano pa pwede nating makita for you, Aries? Don't forget, if naka-resonate or nagustuhan ng reading, like, subscribe, follow. Sobrang helpful niyan sa growth ng channels. Okay, we got Page of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, and the Strength card. Ayun. Mas magiging matapang ka na when it comes to decision making. For some of you, there is a home energy. Maaring iibili or mabibili mo na yung apartment, bahay, or home energy here. Ayun. And mas magkakaroon ka ng freedom when it comes to your income, to your money. There is success here. For some of you, you will let go of some things that mas naging heavy sa'yo from previous months or previous month related sa family. And there's lagi kong nakikita sa utak ko another source of income. So if nagpo-focus ka ngayon sa isang bagay to increase your income, meron ako nakikitang positive energy dito when it comes to that. And wag kang paghinaan ng loob kung mabagal man ang progress or increase. Ang importante may gumagalaw sa energy mo in a positive way. And don't forget as well to be cheerful, to celebrate your success, to celebrate how far you've come despite sa struggles na na-experience mo. So this is your reading, Aries. If naka-resonate, naka-help, or don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your energies, and thank you so much.